we also need to be thinking about it as you were staying inside your home this weekend. The dangers of carbon monoxide poisoning. CNN has put together an important story for you. Always a good reminder as we head into a weekend like this.
Every year in the U.S., unintentional carbon monoxide poisoning sends more than 100,000 people to the emergency room, hospitalizes more than 14,000 patients, and kills more than 400 people.
A lot of the symptoms of the early start to carbon monoxide exposure can mimic some of the cold and flu-like symptoms.
Dr. Jason Milk with Cleveland Clinic says that adds to the challenge of identifying when carbon monoxide is making a person sick. The most common symptoms of poisoning are headache, dizziness, weakness, upset stomach, vomiting, chest pain, and confusion.
The emergency departments have ability of how to measure your carbon monoxide levels. And the antidote for carbon monoxide exposure is eliminating the source, meaning getting away from the risk, and then oxygen is the therapy.
Reduce risk of exposure by using a carbon monoxide detector that will alert when there's a danger. The CDC also says to never use a generator inside your home or garage, even if doors and windows are open. Only use them outside, more than 20 feet away from windows, doors, and vents, and never heat your home with a gas oven. Don't run your vehicle inside a garage that's attached to a house, even when the garage door is open. For a detached garage, open the door to let in fresh air when running a car.
If you have multiple family members, everyone in the home has all the same symptoms. It may be that carbon monoxide is the common denominator as to why everyone doesn't feel good.
For Health Minute, I'm Mandy Gaither.
Never hurts to be reminded.